Hello friend, yeah, welcome back to the class, and in this tutorial we'll be talking about a wonderful topic. So let's get on to the class immediately. So we'll be talking about brooding. We're talking about brooding. What is brooding? What is brooding? When I'm going to brooding, what is brooding? Brooding in poultry farming is the creation of warm, conducive and comfortable environment for young birds to incubate, recover from stress of a conveyance, grow and thrive well into maturity. That is what they call brooding. That is what they call brooding. It means like you are actually incubating them. You know, when a chicken gives birth, when a hen gives birth to a chick or to chicks, because you always see them covering them. What they are doing is they are generating heat. They are generating heat. They are heating them up, brooding them. They are incubating them so that they will be able to have strong immune system to move around. You know what that means? So that is what they call brooding. So in this aspect, you are doing the heat supply by yourself. You are incubating them yourself of the instead of the mothers incubating them. You collected them from the mother and you say no. Uh, you hen, you actually have given this have given birth to these chicks. Don't bother yourself incubating them. I will help you incubate them so they could survive more. Okay, so that is actually what you are doing. So you take them from the hen and you say, okay, I'm gonna incubate them for you and I'm gonna grow them for you. Just go and give birth to more. I'll come back again once these ones have matured. I'll come back and I'll take that one again. So that is what it means by brooding. So brooding is the most important days of the lifespan of birds. They are the most important days of the lifespan of birds. So now that now that you've got to collect the chicks from the mother, you should know that you have to take good care of them just as the mother would do. So when you take them, make sure you understand that from that day you collected them, it is the most important days of their lifespan until this 4 weeks complete. Okay, so it is the period between the first day as day old chicks, which is duck, to the end of the 4th week. So any mistake made at this stage may result in the later days of their life. So if you skip any medication or vaccination and they are able to survive until you sell them to those who grow out to either egg production or slaughter size, they will always experience that uh, that issue that you skipped. They will experience it more higher than what you would have done. They will spend more than what you would have done. So it is better you take good care of them before you dispose them, so that anybody that buys from you will always come back to buy again from you. They will say, oh, this guy knows how to take good care of these chicks. How they took these chicks from the mother and they were able to handle them well. They didn't skip any medication. And when you're actually giving them the best, you should also give them the medication program, how you medicated them, the drugs you gave them, the name of the drugs, when you gave them. Make sure you write all these things down so that when you're selling them, you hand over this manual to the person you're giving, so that when they get sick and the person gets to a veterinary doctor, they will present that manual to them to say, okay, this person that raised these chicks for from day old chicks to 4 weeks, this is what the person has given. Okay, so this is where we are going to start. So that is exactly what you should have in mind. Okay, so By doing so, you see that your customers will always want to keep you. They won't want to lose you, because they know if they lose you, other persons may not do the same way you are doing. They might not be sincere the way you are. So this is one of the secrets to succeeding in the brooding sector. So brooding requires adequate attention and extra care than any other season of the bird's lifetime. It is important to educate your workers to be more careful so they don't step on the chicks, and also apply all vaccines and medications as required. So I hope you understand everything here. I hope you enjoyed this class, and I believe you've gotten something in mind. You've gotten something great. So that is it for brooding, and I'm going to see you in the next video. Thank you very much. Bye.